Good morning, students. Today, in this fourth lecture, fourth video of Standard 8 SS chapter number 9, I am going to discuss the short notes and long question answer. Once again, I repeat, Standard 8 SS chapter number 9, lecture number, video number 4, and the name of the chapter is our economic system. Our economic system. Question. Write a short note. Write a short note on globalization. Write a short note on globalization. Here I have written some points. Okay. First point. The process of connecting the Indian economy, connecting the Indian economy with the countries of the world is called globalization. Okay. Now, connecting the Indian economy with the countries of the world, that is called globalization. First point. Second, India adopted the policy of globalization. India adopted the policy of globalization in 1991. In 1991, and started trading with several countries. After 1999, okay, started trading with several countries. Third point, India came closer due to the globalization. Due to the globalization, India came closer to another countries and learned their methods. Due to the globalization, India came closer to another countries and learned their methods. Next, and because of that, because of this globalization, okay, India came closer. So what are the advantages? It started producing. India started producing as per the demand and quality required of the world. Okay, according to the demand and requirement of the world, India started producing. Okay. Next point, tremendous growth. We can say revolution, change. Tremendous growth in information technology. Okay, revolution in information technology was one of the main reason for boosting globalization. Okay, remember, tremendous growth means revolution. Okay, change in information technology. In information technology was one of the main reasons for boosting globalization. Next point, in 1995, what happened? Establishment of WTO, World Trade Organization. In 1995, the countries of the world established an organization. All the countries, they gathered and they established one organization named World Trade Organization, WTO. One of the key object, main object, one of the key means very important, key objectives of the WTO what means the World Trade Organization was to promote globalization. India also became a member of World Trade Organization, WTO. India also became a member of WTO to gain maximum benefit of globalization. Got it? So first one, definition of the globalization. What is that? That the process of connecting Indian economy with other countries. Okay, that is called globalization. Then when it started in the year 1991. Okay, because of that India came in contact with another countries, came closer. Advantage is that they started producing the things as per the demand and requirement of the world. Okay, that change in a information and technology. Okay, for boosting globalization. Then establishment of WTO, World Trade Organization. And main objective of WTO is globalization. Okay, and my dear student, now India is getting maximum benefit of the globalization. Okay, through WTO and some other. Okay, my dear student, prepare well for exam also. Dear student, my next question is write a short note. Write a short note on privatization. Write a short note on privatization. Privatization means खानगीकरण. Okay, in Gujarati we say खानगीकरण. Okay, write a short note on privatization. First point. After India became independent, my dear student, in 1947, 15 August, we became independent. And after India became independent, the government of India encouraged large scale industries for economic development of the nation in order to progress. Okay, for the progress of the nation, the Indian government encourage the large scale industries for what? For the development of the nation. Okay, second point, because of that encouragement. Okay, what happened? Okay, as a result, the government under its own ownership, for the example, okay, public sector opened several industries. Many industries they were set up. Okay, third point, however, with the passage of time, within a short period, okay, what happened? These industries started losing profit. Okay, however, with the passage of time, these industries means public sectors, okay, that government industries, okay, started making huge losses. They started to make huge losses, means instead of profiting, what happened? They started losing money. Many such loss many such loss making industries were termed sick and were closed down. When these companies were there, they have started losing money. So these industries was considered as a sick industry, and what happened? Because of that, these industries were closed down. Okay, many such loss making industries were termed sick. They were considered as a sick. Okay, and were closed down. Got it? Next, India's economic condition again started becoming poor. First thing, in order to progress, okay, for the progress of the nation, huge industries were started. But what happened? These industries started losing money. Okay, what they were doing? Because of that, they were closed, and as a result, what happened? So India's economic condition again started becoming poor, nobly. On the other hand, second side, what happened? industries in the private sector, the private industries in the private sector were producing good quality products and making huge profits. One side, the government companies, okay, sector, they were losing money, they were not doing profit, while same side, okay, the private companies, they were making huge production, good production and making profit, okay. Hence the government decided, and because of that government has decided to hand over its, to give these sick industries, okay, to hand over its sick industries, okay. Sick industries means they were losing money, okay, industries, to private owners for managing them. So what government decided, that these companies which are losing money, okay, so they can be given to the private sector, okay. So government decided to hand over its sick industries to private owners for managing them. The private owners would manage those industries and turn them into profit making units. So private companies, they had taken and they have changed this company, public sector, when it's given to the private owners. So what they did, the private owners, they turned these industries into profit making units, okay, and this process is known as privatization. This economic policy of the Indian government, this, okay, giving this government sector to the private one. Why? Because the government sectors, they were losing money, okay, they were sick. Sick means not working properly, okay. Because of that, they are given to the private owners, private companies, okay. So this economic policy of the Indian government came to be known as privatization, and this thing is known as privatization. My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.